welcome to the Wild Gut Project. My name is Carrie. If you're new here, this channel is largely about managing IBS with the low FODMAP diet and other things. So this recipe I have for you is a low FODMAPified, veganified version of a Nepalese dal bhat, which is a wonderful, super healthy, traditional dish served for lunch and dinner in Nepal. Varies with the seasons and everyone has their own, family recipe and things, but hopefully you'll enjoy this recipe. We'll get on with it. First things first, we're going to chop up the spring onion, just the dark green half, keep the light bits in some water and they will regrow. And then we're going to grind up our spices. So I've got some mustard seeds, cardamom, turmeric, cumin seeds, coriander seeds and peppercorns I'm going to grind up here. If you have them pre-ground, fantastic, just mix them up in the same proportions in the recipe listed below. In a large pot, I'm going to add some vegetable oil and a handful of those spring onion greens. Then I'm going to add in our spices and I'm going to fry them a little, say for a couple of minutes, and they should start to get really nice and fragrant. Then I'm going to add 3 cloves, keep an eye on them so you don't accidentally bite into them later, and add in some chopped common tomatoes, which are FODMAP free, along with some minced root ginger, which is also FODMAP free. I'm going to cook those down for a few more minutes before adding half a cup of washed red lentils. They're going to end up being the equivalent of 6 low FODMAP portions, which are about a quarter cup each of cooked red lentils. Then I've added some vegan margarine as an alternative to ghee, which adds a lot to the flavour. I know it's not the healthiest, but it tastes so much better. Then I've added some water and a pinch of salt and left it to simmer while I get on with the curried vegetables. Simple start, just some oil and some spring onion greens, along with just garam masala, check there's no onion or garlic in there, and some turmeric. For my seasonal veg, I've got some parsnips and carrots and I've chopped them up finely. I'm just going to add them in and cook them down. You can add a bit of water if it starts to catch. When the lentils are cooked, say about 15 minutes later, I'm adding some chopped coriander and I'm just going to wilt down some kale for the greens, just because it's what's available and it's FODMAP free. Serve it up. Make sure you've got 1/6 of the total dal for the low FODMAP portion. And I've got some sauerkraut. I've linked the recipe, it's on my website, and then curried veg, greens, rice. I've got a coconut yogurt instead of curds, and in Nepal you would normally have lots of refills until you're full, so have refills of everything apart from the dal and the sauerkraut and it will remain low FODMAP for you. Plus, with 9 different plants, it's really good for your gut bacteria. So that's the recipe. If you want to give it a go, I've written it up, it's on my website, it's linked in the description. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it if you do, and sorry about all the washing up. So yeah, I also realised this is my first video in like over half a year, I'm sorry. I filmed loads of videos and actually I filmed this recipe ages ago and then I was like, no, it's not right. And I filmed vlogs and I was like, oh, they're not right. Because you know when you leave things for too long, it's like the thing you have to do is perfect. Not that any of my videos have ever been close to perfect, but like, you know what I mean, right? But yeah, so I thought I just need to rip the plaster off or band-aid and just get on with it and post a video. So I hope this is a recipe you enjoy. Little life update. I'm in a university dorm room or halls. I've moved out of London to do a 2-year master's in dietetics. So come May of 2023, I'm going to be a registered dietitian. I can work for the NHS, I can have my own practice and all that kind of stuff, so that's very exciting. Because being a dietitian is like a protected title, so I'll be all registered and stuff. But yeah, I think I felt a little bit lost about what to do with the channel, because I obviously like low FODMAP diet's a short-term thing, so I don't actually eat low FODMAP anymore, but it doesn't feel very helpful to show you, I don't know, I don't really know what to post. I think I can still obviously develop recipes, but yeah, I just felt a bit unsure of what to do. So if you have any suggestions, please comment down below. I'm trying to find a space where I can maybe film some yoga videos, because those have been really popular, which has been nice. And I'm going to be teaching at the Yoga Society at my uni, so I think that's going to also help me get to know the spaces that I could potentially film in, because I can't film in here. It's too small. Yeah, maybe I could do some short videos about the things I'm learning,
like we were learning about about leaky gut the other day, and I was like, that's quite interesting. I get targeted, I think because I follow obviously IBS things, I get targeted with lots of stuff about leaky gut, and a lot of it's wrong. Because like leaky gut isn't actually a condition, it's just part of the pathology of other conditions, and that gets lost in the communications on Instagram. But yeah, if there's anything random you want me to research and talk about, or particular types of recipes or videos you would like to see, please let me know. But yeah, to summarise, I'm sorry that it's been so long since my last video, and I really hope you're all well. I hope that lots of you who've been following me for ages have finished your elimination phase and you've moved on to your re-challenges and you're reintroducing lots of healthy FODMAPs into your diet. And I hope that if you're new to the low FODMAP diet, all of the resources and things on the website and my channel and stuff are helpful to you. Yeah, I'm going to do better at posting videos from now on, so I will see you again soon. Promise.